battery and inverter radiator. The air conditioner evaporator. The transmission radiator. Transaxle radiator. You know, the things with the two big electric motors in it. It's been like this for at least half an hour now and it's not leaking. This is the level it's supposed to be at, where that little arrow is in between here, and there's a line right here where my fingernail's stuck on. Of course, this is empty. Nice electrically controlled thermostat. That guy looks wet only because they got a bunch of engine coolant on it. Seems all right to me. And what was wrong with this guy? Well, more than a couple years ago, I hit a curb and it bent up the lower radiator support arm, and it bent this right here and caused this little bit of damage. And the car's been dripping coolant for a few years, but now suddenly, in the past year, it got a lot worse. It grew exponentially, as you know. That's where the temperature sensor goes. This is the outlet valve hole. And this is the inlet hole. And just like Andy said, it was leaking probably all along the top of the seal, but that's from me hitting a curb a few years ago, not from me removing it today, I promise. So as I was saying, when I hit the curb a few years ago, this lower radiator support arm got bent up. There's our temperature sensor.